Understanding the phrase, I'm to blame, an English learning guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, I'm to blame. Understanding phrases like these is key to mastering the nuances of English. So, let's dive in and unravel what it means, when to use it, and some examples to help you get a grasp of it. I'm to blame is a phrase used when someone is admitting responsibility for a mistake or a wrong action. It's a way of acknowledging that something negative that happened was due to one's own actions or decisions. This phrase is often used in situations where there's a need for accountability or confession. I'm is a contraction for I am, indicating that the statement is about the speaker. To blame is a phrase used to indicate the person responsible for something, especially a mistake or wrong action. By combining these two parts, the speaker is essentially saying, I am the person responsible for this. This phrase is appropriate in situations where you want to accept responsibility and show that you are aware of your mistake. It can be used in both formal and informal settings. For example, in a personal apology, I forgot to send the email on time. I'm to blame for the delay. In a professional context, the project was unsuccessful because of my oversight. I'm to blame. There are other ways to express the same idea, such as, it's my fault. I am responsible. The blame lies with me. I should bear the responsibility. These phrases can be used interchangeably, depending on the context and tone you wish to convey. Now that you understand the phrase, I'm to blame, you can use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's a powerful way to express responsibility and accountability. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to learn English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when the situation calls for it. See you in our next lesson.